Hi, hello my loving people. Welcome to today's episode. ముందుగా తెలుగు వాళ్ళందరికీ నా నమస్కారం. అదే కదండి మన సంస్కారం. Today I am going to show you how to prepare rasam powder. Come on, let's get started. The main ingredients for preparing the original rasam powder are black peppercorns, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, curry leaves, dry red chilies, pinch of hing, small pinch of turmeric powder and tur dal. Take a frying pan, add coriander seeds and fry it on a low flame. Stir it occasionally or toss it. Now transfer this coriander seeds into a bowl. Now add dry red chilies. Once it's get fried, now transfer this dry red chilies into same bowl. In the same food pan, add cumin seeds and fry it in a low flame. Now transfer this cumin seeds into same bowl. Add black peppercorns and fry it on a low flame. Once black peppercorns get fried, now transfer this into a same bowl. Now add tur dal, curry leaves and stir it once and fry it on a low flame. Now transfer this mixture into same bowl. Add pinch of hing, add pinch of turmeric powder. Once this mixture get cool, now transfer this mixture into a blender. Grind into a coarse powder. Now transfer this rasam powder into a serving plate. That's all. The rasam powder is ready. Store the rasam powder in a clean and tight jar for the long life. Thanks for watching today's episode. I'll get back to you with new episode.